Sit down. From today we discuss it's like a MCQ type questions. Okay, it's like from the subject of biochemistry and clinical pathology. Okay, we all know from the subject of biochemistry and clinical pathology, it's like a MCQ. It's like a TT based questions. Okay, decision thinking based session questions. Okay, and we all are cooperated from the session. Okay, and this one is a team A and this one is a team B. Okay, we are all divided into two variations, team A and team B. Okay, first shall we start from the TT based session? Okay. Okay. First, let's start with the first question. So, question goes to team A. A 45 years old male presents with frequent urination, excessive thirst and fasting blood glucose of 160 mg per day. Okay, this is for the questions. Okay, and which condition is mostly like? Okay, option A hypoglycemia, option B diabetes mellitus, option C renal failure, and option D hypothyroidism. So anyone say your answer? Team A.
Option B diabetes mellitus.
Correct. Okay, next question goes to team B. A urine sample appears cloudy and so pus cells on microscopy. Okay, this is a question and this condition indicates. Okay, options like diabetes mellitus. Okay, option B urinary tract infections UAT, and option C liver disease, and the final one is dehydration. Your answer team B. Correct. And the next question, team A. A patient's laboratory report shows blood glucose fasting is 65 mg per day and symptoms like dizziness and sweating. Okay, and the condition is known as. Okay, this is a question. Option A hyperglycemia, option B diabetes mellitus, option C hypoglycemia, and option D glycosuria. Okay, team A.
Option C hypoglycemia.
Correct. Clap. And the next question. A patient's urine test shows protein. Okay, protein positive. Okay, this condition is termed as option A glycosuria, option B ketonuria, option C proteinuria, and the option final one is hematuria. Okay, university team B members.
Option C proteinuria.
Correct. The next question goes to team A. A urine test gives a positive Benedict test. Okay, a urine test gives a positive Benedict test with brick red precipitate. This is the questions. Okay, and what does this indicate? Okay, what does this indicate? Okay, options like option A presence of protein, option B presence of ketone bodies, option C presence of reducing sugars, and the final one is presence of bile acids. Okay, these are the options. Anyone say, please stand up and say the answer.
Option C, presence of reducing sugar.
Okay, correct. Sit down. The next question goes to team B. A patient with uncontrolled diabetes. Okay, a patient with uncontrolled diabetes shows fruity smelling breath and ketone in urine. Okay, hence this condition is called as. Okay, again I tell. A patients with uncontrolled diabetes shows fruity smelling breath and ketones in urine. Okay, hence this condition is called as option A glycosuria, option B ketonuria, option C proteinuria, option D hematuria. Get a no. Team B members, question is a patient has a yellow discoloration of eyes and urine. Urine test shows white pigments, and the most common like condition is. This is a question. Okay, a patient has a yellow color discoloration of eyes and urine. Then hence the urine shows which bile pigments. Okay, and the condition is known as option A like anemia, option B jaundice, option C diabetes mellitus, option D hepatitis. Your answer. Anyone say? Please stand up and say.
Option B is jaundice.
Correct. The next question, team A members. A patient with uncontrolled diabetes shows fruity smelling breath and ketones in urine. Okay, hence this condition is called as. Okay, this is the question. Options like glycosuria, option B ketonuria, option C proteinuria, and option D hematuria. And your answer, can you say?
Sir, option B, ketone.
Correct. And team B members. Microscopic examination of urine source RBCs present. Okay. What is the condition is called as? Okay. This is the question. Again, tell microscopic examination of urine source RBCs present, and what is the condition is called as? Okay. Options like option A, pyuria, option B, hematuria, option C, glycosuria, and option D, ketonuria. And your answer, team B members. Anyone say?
Option B, hematuria.
Correct. And team members. Final question. A child with lactose intolerance. Okay. A child with lactose intolerance lacks with enzymes. Okay. Yet again, a child with lactose intolerance lacks which enzymes? Okay. This is the questions. Options like option A amylase, option B maltose, option C lactase, and option D sucrase. And your answer, anyone say that? Please stand up.
Option C, lactase.
Option
C, lactase.
correct. Sit down, sit down. And final question for last question for team B members. A stool sample is positive for occult blood. Okay. This suggests what? Okay. This is the question. Again, I will. A stool sample is positive for occult blood. Okay. Hence, this suggests what? Okay. Options like a liver disorders. Okay. Option B, intestinal bleeding. Option C, malabsorption. Option D, pancreatic disorders. Okay. These four are the options. You will see the answer. Please stand up.
Option B, intestinal bleeding.
Okay, correct. Please. Okay. That's all. Okay. That's all about the DT session based session. Like this is a DT based session for you are all when you completed your course from the diploma, and the interviewer can ask like this type of questions. Okay. This is useful for your future. Okay. Hope this session useful for all of you. Thank you for your cooperation. Thank you.
Thank you.